Step by step, how to do single-arm kettlebell side raise. 1. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Hold a kettlebell in one hand at your side, palm facing your thigh. Keep your chest up, shoulders relaxed, and core engaged. Slight bend in the elbow to protect the joint. 2. Raise phase. With control, lift the kettlebell out to the side until your arm reaches shoulder height, parallel to the ground. Keep your palm facing down or slightly angled, like pouring a jug. Don't shrug your shoulder. Focus on lifting with your side deltoid. 3. Lowering phase. Slowly bring the kettlebell back down to your side. Avoid letting it drop. Control the movement for maximum muscle engagement. 4. Complete desired reps on one side, then switch arms. Muscles worked. Primary, lateral deltoid, side of the shoulder. Secondary, trapezius, supraspinatus, rotator cuff. Forearms, core for stabilization. Tips for success. Use a light kettlebell. Side raises are isolation focused, not heavy lifts. Keep the movement slow and controlled. No swinging. Stop at shoulder height. Lifting higher shifts load to traps instead of delts. Brace your core to avoid leaning to the opposite side. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.